I wanted to show you some resources if you wanted to learn more about HTML. This resource that you see here is called W3Schools.com, and you can come here, and as you can see, HTML is not the only thing here. They have everything from HTML all the way to Node.js and then some. I mean, you can keep scrolling here, but what we're going to look at is the HTML portion. It gives you an introduction. It really is like its own little mini course you can take if you're interested in learning more about it. I highly recommend W3 Schools. It's a great source to learn HTML and the other various coding languages that are shown here. This is another great resource called VS Code. This is made by Microsoft and it's a code editor. So in the tutorial, I showed you how to manually do tags and space them. With something like VS Code, it will actually do all that stuff for you. And really quick, just as a little bonus, little Easter egg, I'll show you the cool things that VS Code can do. So we're gonna click here on Windows 10, 11 download, wait for it to do its thing. Okay, now that it's downloaded, we're gonna open it. And accept the agreement. Everything is default, it's fine, just hit next. I like to create a desktop icon so I know what's actually installed. Hit next, and then install. And then we have Visual Studio Code on our machine, so we can start coding in here. No more Notepad for us. So we'll open it up, and then we can just close this out. Close the AI agent out. We'll do File. Let's do a new file, and I'll show you something really cool, a little bonus. It's HTML. And we'll do a webpage2.html. Throw it on our desktop. And then this is basically the same thing as our notepad. Now, watch this. This is a shortcut in VS Code. You just do a bang and then hit tab on your keyboard. Got all the HTML boilerplate stuff ready to go. Two things, and then you got all the HTML you need. So definitely grab VS Code or one of your preferred text editors. It is going to be very helpful in your coding journey.